Assalamu alaikum students. Today is 25th March 2026. The day is Wednesday. We are doing exercise 1.2 and in this lesson we are going to discuss question number 5 and question number 10 and 11 from workbook. Let's start our today's lesson. Question number 5 from workbook. It is on page number 10 of your workbook. The statement of the question is work out the calculations. Do the calculation in the brackets first. We have done this type of question before in our previous lesson. The first part of this question is minus 5 plus minus 7 divided by 4. Now what will be our first step? The first step is do the calculation in the brackets first, as we have done yesterday. That question was related to multiplication and it is related to division. This one is the only difference between them. Okay? The number of steps are same. In the first step we'll do the calculation which is inside the bracket and then we will divide by the number which is outside the bracket. So do the calculation in the brackets first. So this one is written inside the bracket, minus 5 plus minus 1. So take this calculation here, minus 5 plus minus 7. Now how to do this one? As you can see, there are two signs together. Minus 5 is a negative integer, minus 7 is a negative integer here, this plus is an operator here. So the two signs, you can see that between these two numbers, between 5 and 7, there are two signs, an operator and an integer sign. So when two signs appear, we put a bracket on integer. So our first step should be write this minus 5 as it is here, this plus sign, and then we can put a bracket here on minus 7 to make it separate from this operator. Now minus 5, this plus sign, and put a bracket here on minus 7. Now the next step, in the next step we can change this plus into minus to minus by using this one. Plus into minus is equal to minus. So this plus into minus, it will change into minus. It's minus 5 minus 7. Now you can see that the two signs are same, integer sign and operator sign. Both the signs are same. It means add the numbers and keep the sign with the answer. So 7 plus 5, it is 12, and write the same sign with the answers. When the signs are same, we add the numbers and we write the same sign with the answer. So it's 7 plus 5, 12, and keep the same sign with the answer. It's minus 12. So the answer, we have the answer of this bracket. The answer of this bracket is minus 12. So write this minus 12 here, the answer of this bracket, then this division sign and this 4 here. Now you can see that there is no sign with 4. It means when there is no sign with a number, it means that number is a positive number. We can write a plus sign with it. It is plus 4. Now it is division problem. 12 divided by 4. Ignore the signs first and divide the numbers. 12 divided by 4. 12 in the house, 4 out of the house. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 12, 0. The answer is 3. So write 3 here. Now which sign is going to be with 3, minus or plus? For that, see these two signs. Minus divide by plus. And we know that minus divide by plus is equal to minus. We have discussed these rules in our previous lessons. Minus divide by plus is minus. Divide the numbers. 12 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. So answer is 3. And then write the sign carefully by checking the signs of the two numbers. Minus divide by plus. So minus divide by plus is minus. So we should write minus here along with it. So write the sign carefully along with your answer. Now let's see the second part. The B part is 10 minus minus 4 divided by minus 2. Again we have two steps. The first step is do the calculation in the brackets first. So do this calculation first. Take this calculation here to solve it first. 10 minus minus 4. Now you can see that there is no sign with 10. No sign means plus sign. So this one is a positive integer. I can write a plus sign with it because no sign means plus sign here. Always remember this. So this one is plus 10 minus minus 4. Again, just like this one, you can see that there are two signs between 10 or 4. So when two signs appear, we put bracket on the integer sign to make it separate from operator. So we can write it as plus 10, this minus, and now we can put a bracket here on this negative integer minus 4 to make it separate from this operator. So it will be plus 10 minus and bracket on this minus 4, minus 4. Now in the next step we can change this minus into minus to plus by using this one. Minus into minus is equal to plus. We can change this minus into minus to plus. Now it is plus 10 minus into minus is plus, and this 4 here. Now how to solve this one? As you can see, the same sign is written along with the numbers. So when there is same sign with the numbers, it means add the numbers and keep the sign. So 10 plus 4 is 14, and write the same sign with the answer, just like this one. When the sign is same, it means add the numbers and keep the sign. Signs are same, add the numbers and keep the sign. When the signs are different, then we subtract the numbers. So here we have same signs, it means add the numbers and keep the sign. Plus 14 is our answer. So we have the answer of this bracket. The answer of this bracket is plus 14. We can write plus 14 here. Plus 14, the answer of this bracket. Divide sign minus 2. Now it is division problem. Ignore these two signs and just divide the numbers first. 14 divided by 2. 14 in the house, 2 out of the house. 2 sevens are 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. 7 is our answer. Now it's time to write the sign along with it. Which sign is going to be with 7? Minus or plus? For that, see these two signs. The signs of the integers. Plus divide by minus. Now we know that plus divide by minus is equal to minus. So it means we should write minus here along with our answer. Okay? First divide the numbers and then write the sign carefully by checking the signs of these two numbers. Remember these rules. Now let's see the third part. Minus 6 plus 14. It is in the bracket and we'll divide it by minus 4. The first step should be do the calculation in the brackets first. It is minus 6 plus 14. Minus 6 plus 14. Now there is only a single sign between these two numbers. It means this time we do not need to put any bracket here. We do not need to put any bracket here because there is only a single sign between these two numbers. When we need to put the bracket, when we have two signs between the numbers in operation sign and integer sign, then we put bracket on integer. Okay? Here we have only a single sign in the operation sign. It means we do not need to put bracket here. We can solve it directly. The two signs written with the numbers, they are not same. And when the signs are not same, you know that when the signs are opposite, it means subtract the numbers and write the sign of bigger value. If we subtract these two numbers, 14 minus 6 is 8, and here bigger value is 14, plus is written along with bigger value, it means write plus with it. So it is plus 8. So the answer of this bracket is plus 8. Write plus 8 here, divide by minus 4. And then after doing the division, you can get the final answer. This one is your homework completed by yourself. Now similarly, this part is your homework, complete this part by yourself. Next question is question number 10 from workbook. It is on page number 10 of workbook. The statement of the question is the product of 2 and minus 9 is minus 18. Now this line means the product of 2 and minus 9 is minus 18. It means when we multiply 2 and minus 9. 2 here means plus 2. Simple 2 means plus 2. There is no sign with it. It means it is plus 2. No sign means plus sign is written with the number. Always remember this. So when this line means when we multiply plus 2 with minus 9, we get minus 18. You can see that 2 9s are 18 plus multiply minus is minus. So this one is right. Now they are saying that in the first part, find 3 more pairs of integers with product of minus 18. A pair means 2 numbers like this. They are saying that यहाँ पर 2 numbers हैं, उनको multiply करने से minus 18 आ रहा है. तो find 3 more pairs of integers. Just like this pair, find 3 more pairs of integers such that they give us minus 18 when we multiply them. Let's see the answer to understand it. We have one pair given in the question. A pair means 2 numbers. Okay? Plus 2 and minus 9. When we multiply them, plus 2 multiply minus 9. It's 2 9s are 18 and plus multiply minus is minus. Okay? It's plus multiply minus is minus. So this one is the given pair. We need 2 more pairs. We need 2 more pairs, 2 more such pairs, such that when we multiply them, we get minus 18. Now let's see 3 more pairs. Actually, we need 3 more pairs, 3 more pairs. Now, to find another pair, you can just flip the sign of these 2 integers. If I take this one as negative number and this one as positive number, see what happens. Plus 2, if I change it into minus 2, minus 9, and if I change it into plus 9, now multiply them. 2 9s are 18 and minus multiply plus is minus. So you can see that when we multiply minus 2 with plus 9, we get minus 18. So we have another pair of integers with product of minus 18. So how many pairs in total? We need 3 pairs. This one is 1 pair. So we have 2 more pairs. Now that pair is 1 18s are 18. We all know that 18 comes in the table of 1. 1 18s are 18. So 1 multiply 18 is equal to 18. And if I take this number as positive and this one as negative, you all know that when we multiply a positive number with a negative number, in that case we get a negative number. So if I take this number as plus 1 and this one as minus 18, it's 1 18s are 18 and plus multiply minus is minus. So here we have another pair of numbers that give us minus 18. Plus 1 और minus 18, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो minus 18 आता है. तो हमने एक और पेयर फाइंड कर लिया है जिनको मल्टीप्लाई करने से minus 18 आता है. Now let's see the third pair of integers जिनको मल्टीप्लाई करने से minus 18 आता है. We can find this pair easily by just flipping the sign of these 2 numbers. Flip the sign of these 2 integers. Flip the sign means change the sign of the integers. Plus 1, if I change this plus 1 into minus 1 and this minus 18 into plus 18, see what happens. 1 multiply 18 is 18 and minus multiply plus is minus. Again we have minus 18 in the answer. So minus 1 and plus 18. This one is the third pair. So we have found 3 pairs of numbers. First pair is this one, minus 2 और plus 9. इनको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो minus 18 आता है, तो ये भी एक पेयर हो गया. प्लस 1 और minus 18, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, आंसर minus 18 आता है, तो ये सेकंड पेयर हो गया. minus 1 और plus 18, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो आंसर minus 18 आता है. तो हमने 3 पेयर्स फाइंड कर लिए. एक पेयर ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में था गिवन, प्लस 2 और माइनस 9. इट वॉज गिवन दैट इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके minus 18 आता है. ठीक है, इट वॉज अ गिवन पेयर. अ गिवन पेयर मीन्स 2 नंबर्स. सो इट वॉज अ गिवन पेयर. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने से minus 18 आता है. हमने 3 और पेयर्स फाइंड कर लिए हैं. एक ये पेयर हो गया, पेयर मीन्स 2 नंबर्स, तो एक ये पेयर हो गया, इनको मल्टीप्लाई करें तो minus 18 आता है. दिस वन इज द सेकेंड पेयर, प्लस 1 और minus 18, इनको मल्टीप्लाई करें minus 18 और फिर इनको मल्टीप्लाई करें तो minus 18. हमने 3 और पेयर्स भी फाइंड कर लिए हैं, तो यहाँ पे आंसर कंप्लीट हो गया क्योंकि हमें 3 मोर पेयर्स चाहिए थे. नाउ लेट्स सी द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. The second part of this question is, are there more pairs of integers with a product of minus 18? So they are saying that, do we have another pair? Do we have more pairs such that when we multiply them we get minus 18? Yes, the answer is yes, we have two more pairs because we all know that 18 3 के टेबल में भी आता है. 3 6 are 18, so that is another pair. 3 6 are 18, and if I take this one as positive, this one as negative, plus multiply minus is minus, so plus 3 and minus 6. ठीक है, प्लस 3 एंड माइनस 6 दे आर फॉर्मिंग अनदर पेयर. ये भी हमारे पास एक पेयर आ गया है नंबर्स का जिससे माइनस 18 आ रहा है. नाउ सेकेंड पेयर इज flip the sign of these two numbers, minus 3, and if we change minus 6 to plus 6 we get minus 18 again. 3 6 are 18 and minus multiply plus is minus, so we have two more pairs. ठीक है, 18 3 के टेबल में भी आता है तो उससे भी हमें टू पेयर्स मिल जाते हैं. दैट गिव अस minus 18 when we multiply them. We have two more pairs when we multiply. So how many pairs we have in total? One pair it was already given, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. This one is pair number 6, this one is pair number 5, and this one is 6. So we have total 6 pairs that give us minus 18 when we multiply them. So that was our answer of this question. I hope you understood the idea. This one is similar to question number 5 of learner book that we have done yesterday. Okay. Now let's see the third question. It is question number 11 from workbook. It is on page number 11 of your book. Complete this multiplication table. Here we are given a multiplication table. You can see that a multiplication sign is written in this box. It means it is a multiplication table. We have done this type of question before. Now you can see that 4 numbers are already written in the boxes and 4 numbers are missing. We need to find these 4 missing numbers. Now let's see how to find them. How to find this missing number? We know that this minus 30, it is the product of plus 6 and this missing number. When we multiply this number by plus 6, we can get minus 30. This number multiply this number, the answer is minus 30. So minus 30 is the product of this number and this number. ठीक है, minus 30 इन दोनों नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने से आया है. It means when we multiply minus 30 by plus 6, we can get this number. ठीक है, माइनस 30 इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने से आया था, तो अगर हम माइनस 30 को इसके साथ डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें ये नंबर मिल जाएगा. सो टू फाइंड दिस नंबर वी कैन शो द वर्किंग लाइक दिस, माइनस 30 डिवाइड बाय प्लस 6. सो इट इज़ 6 5s are 30 and minus divided by plus is minus. So this missing number is minus 5. Now to find this missing number, see this minus 32. माइनस 32 हमारे पास कैसे आया था? ये प्लस 4 और ये नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करके. माइनस 32 इज़ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्लस 4 एंड दिस मिसिंग नंबर. सो इट मीन्स टू फाइंड दिस मिसिंग नंबर वी कैन डिवाइड माइनस 32 बाय प्लस 4. माइनस 32 प्लस 4 और ये वाले नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करके आया था, बिकॉज व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई दिस नंबर बाय प्लस 4 वी गेट माइनस 32. सो इट मीन्स अगर हमें ये नंबर चाहिए तो वी कैन डू द रिवर्स. हम माइनस 32 को प्लस 4 से डिवाइड करें तो ये वाला नंबर फाइंड हो सकता है. सो लेट्स फाइंड दिस नंबर. द वर्किंग शुड बी माइनस 32 दिस वन एंड डिवाइड बाय प्लस 4. 4 8s are 32. In the table of 4, 32 comes at 8. 4 8s are 32. Minus divided by plus is minus. So this missing number is minus 8. Okay. Now let's find this missing number. To find this missing number, how can we find it? See the top number and the left number. The left number, now we have this left number, minus 5. So minus 5 multiply plus 4. If we multiply these two numbers, we can get this number. Okay. We know that you know that how to fill up this multiplication table. We have done this type of question before in our previous lessons. So it should be minus 5 multiply plus 4. Minus 5 multiply plus 4. So 5 4s are, it is 20, and minus multiply plus is minus. So this number is minus 20. Now let's find this last number. How to find this number? See the top number and the left number of this box. The top number is plus 6, left number is minus 8. So it means when we multiply minus 8 with plus 6, we can get this number. Minus 8 multiply plus 6, answer should be here. So the working should be minus 8 multiply by plus 6. Minus 8 multiply by plus 6. 8 6 are, if we read the table of 8 6 are 48, and minus multiply plus is minus. So this number is minus 48. Okay. To find this number, minus 30 इन दोनों नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने से आया था, इसलिए माइनस 30 को अगर इससे डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये नंबर फाइंड हो जाएगा. ठीक है, रिवर्स करेंगे तो माइनस 30 डिवाइड बाय दिस नंबर प्लस 6, तो ये नंबर फाइंड हो जाएगा. अब ये वाला नंबर माइनस 32 टॉप नंबर और लेफ्ट नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करने से आया था, प्लस 4 और ये वाले नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करने से, तो इसलिए माइनस 32 को प्लस 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये नंबर फाइंड हो जाएगा. तो माइनस 32 डिवाइड बाय प्लस 4, आंसर इज माइनस 8. So this was our today's lesson. I hope you understood the lesson. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Allah Hafiz.